Hey, what's going on? My name is Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute little hot glue drip boxes. They don't necessarily have to be boxes. We're just going to be doing the hot glue drip in general, so it'll take to about any surface that can take hot glue, really, just anything that's not going to melt as soon as the hot glue touches it. So yes, welcome to the channel. We're going to do lots of arts and crafts here, lots of different things, lots of DIYs. I'm still learning how to do a lot of different arts and techniques so we can learn them together. Yeah, today I wanted to do the hot glue drip thing because I just found this the other day. I saw somebody else do this and I'm like obsessed. I'm about to do it to, unfortunately, everything in this home. So today I thought I would show you how to do it too. If you were bored looking for something to do, a new idea, because that's what I was looking for when I started doing these. It's super easy, and it's like honestly a lot of fun too. So I hope that you enjoy. These are some boxes I've done. I'll show you the blue one here first because we did this one first. It's got some ooze dripping out of it. I gotta paint it some more right there, but yeah, I like this one a lot. We did the green. We went with green slime on this one. Painted it blue. When this one's done, it will be going on my Etsy shop. Then we got this one over here, the black and the purple. This one I'm loving. I am living for this one. This is so cute. This one still needs painted in a lot of spots, like back here and stuff on the sides. But oh, this is so cute. These are so cute. You're gonna love this. You're gonna love this idea. We're not gonna be doing it on a box. If you have a box at home, you may use your box. You can use anything. Like I said earlier, any surface that will take the hot glue will work, as long as it's probably not like a plastic or something like that, something that's not going to melt through. Anything like that will do. So if you have a box at home, you may use a box. We are not doing boxes today. We're going to do this vase. If you would like to see a video of me doing it specifically to a box, let me know down in the comments below, and we can definitely do that because I got plenty of boxes upstairs, so no worries. I've just done 2 of these already, and the technique will be the same, I'm sure. No matter what surface you do it to, it doesn't change the way that we're going to apply the hot glue and paint and all that afterwards. So if you have a wooden box at home, if you have a vase, either or works. So we are going to go ahead and get started here on the vase in just a minute. The idea is to start here around the top, well, kind of start down and then up, but bring it around the top and have the drip come down, and we're going to paint that gold. You can paint your drip any color. If you don't have gold at home, do not worry. You can use any color. It does not matter. This is just really showing like the technique, an idea, something you can do at home. Something real easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So let's go ahead and get started. So once we got our glue gun here plugged in and warmed up, ready to go, we're going to start deciding where we want that first drip to begin. So basically you want to start wherever you want the drip to end. So if you want your drip to come all the way down to the bottom, like about here, you're going to start there, pull it up. If you want it to be a little higher up, you don't want to go all that far down, that's fine too. You can start here, pull it up. Oh, get the hell off of there. Thank you, sir. All right. So I don't want mine to go all the way down to the bottom. I just want to do a little from the top. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my first drip. And let's go ahead. So now we've got a round with our first layer of hot glue here. And once these start to dry, you'll notice they dry pretty quick. It won't take long at all. They'll turn this little white cloudy color. And once they start doing that, you want to start building up in between, on top, and just kind of fill in the little gaps there. And follow along with me. You'll see what I'm talking about. We got our hot glue filled in all the cracks, all the crevices. It's layered on top, in between, all around town. And once we do that, we're almost ready to paint. Before I get ready to paint, I am going to fill in this top section here with paint just to give it a nice clean edge. You can bring it up to the top as well if you want. You can bring it up here, paint this as well so it looks like maybe it's coming out from the inside. You do not have to do that though. You can leave this blank if you please. You don't even have to fill this in. If you like the way yours looks already, that's fine. I have a couple little holes up here that I am going to fill in real quick with the hot glue. Then after I do that, I'm going to go ahead, paint it, and we're going to see what it looks like at the final results. Well, welcome upstairs. I am so pumped. I am so pumped up. Look at it. Look at it. It looks a little weird now, but that's okay because all art does. It always looks really weird in the beginning, and everyone's like, why? Why would you put that together? And you're like, wait till the end. And then when they see the end, they're like, oh, it makes so much sense. And that is what this will do. So do not fear. Do not worry. We got it all filled in. I went ahead and I did the top as well because I'm going to paint that gold. And I want it to look like it's kind of coming out from the inside. Plus with all the flowers and the blueberries after I put everything together, you're not even going to see it. So we're going to go in with this gold that I got. This is Deco Art Dazzling Metallics, metallic acrylic paint, Splendid Gold. We're gonna go in with this. This stuff's really good. I like this stuff a lot. I have a lot of different like color shift things, but that gold is really nice. It's gonna take a few coats, which is fine. Oh, jeez, hold on. Now that I've gathered my belongings, everything is in order. Sorry about that. So anyways, we're gonna go in with the gold. We're gonna use that for the drip. If you are interested, not sponsored, of course, but if you're interested in the green that I use, this color, I bought this paint off of Amazon, and it's really nice, and it really covers in like a coat, almost. I mean, I've only used like 2 coats, really, and it really takes to it. I don't know if you can really see this too well. See if I can read to you, my child. Tribute, color samples, satin, clits. I feel like I didn't say that right. K-I-L-Z, Kliz. Kills. Kills. It's kills. All right. So this is the paint that I used on the base. We're going to go with the gold. And let's just go ahead and get started. All right, we're about halfway done with this. Probably gonna do about two more coats of gold. We're about 2 coats down. I already knew what I was getting myself into when I chose this color, but that's all right. Gonna finish up doing that here. I did the top, so it kind of looks like it's oozing out the top, but once I get the blueberries and the flowers and all that back in, you're not even gonna be able to notice most of that. Looking like a little honey jar right now, which is cute. We love honey. Honey is cute. So this is coming along really good. I'm really proud of that. 2 coats on this gold here. Probably gonna do about 2 more, or until it starts looking pretty thick and dense. That's the goal we're going for. If you're interested in the colors that I use on the boxes that I left downstairs, the green and the purple one, the green was used with this color shift right here. This was nice. This only took about like maybe 2 coats, and I did like a 3rd one for good measure, but like that one was really nice. And this one was for the purple box. This one took a couple of coats. This one comes out a lot lighter, so if you want this color to be about as dark as it shows in the bottle, you're gonna need a couple of coats. Lay that one on thick. So excited about this. We got some hot glue strings. Pick those off. If you run into the predicament like I am, where you're kind of getting like some gold on the edge of the jar, don't worry about it. That can easily take a real thin paintbrush when you're done and just slide it all on those edges there. Clean that all up. Yeah, so we're almost done. I'm going to add a few more coats to this, and I will see you again when we're done. So, hey, look at your art. Welcome back downstairs, and look at what you did. I'm so proud of you. You did such an awesome job. You did so good. And even if you don't think it's as good as I think it is, just know that the wonderful thing about art is it's always fixable. No matter how bad you think it is, no matter how poorly you think you did, which I promise you did not, it's always fixable. You could set it to the side and come back to it in a year, and you can update it, do whatever, make it look like a brand new thing. So do not worry, do not beat yourself up if you don't feel like you did a good job, because I promise you did, and it's always fixable. These are the chests that we started off with originally. This is just to give you an idea of some colors, some color combinations that you can do, different items that you can apply this project to as well. So you can do like a green and a blue thing, make it look like it's coming out of the little box. You can do black and purple, same thing over here. Or, you know, you can go with a vase or anything really that you want to apply this to, it will work. And it is cute, and I love it. Now I am just going to go ahead and reapply all the blueberries and the flowers and foliage I took out earlier to do this. And we'll give it a little B-roll, see how we did.